Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Montego Bay and we are going to talk about the impact Hurricane Melissa had on tourism in Montego Bay. Actually, the impact in Western Jamaica. So Hyatt is one of the largest hotel groups in the world and they operate 8 hotels in Jamaica and all 8 are in Montego Bay. And the hurricane damaged so many hotels in Jamaica. Major hotel chains have closed for renovation or, I guess you could say, repairs. And with the winter tourist season on the way now, it has had a serious impact on tourism in Jamaica. Cruise ship piers were also damaged, but they have reopened. So we are going to give you an update on the Hyatt hotels in Jamaica. Now, all 8 hotels are closed. They closed after the passage of Hurricane Melissa, and they had hoped to open them in early 2026. However, they announced recently that 7 of the 8 hotels will be closed until the end of 2026. Only one is going to open, or it's projected to open in February of 2026. So this is a major blow to the tourism product in Jamaica because Hyatt is one of the 10, it's ranked among the 10 largest hotel groups or chains in the world. They operate numerous brands from ultra luxury to, well, we'll tell you. They have they operate Hyatt brands range from ultra-luxury to mid-range essential hotels and resorts. The brands grouping reflects roughly how they are ranked by service experience and target guests. So they have a luxury portfolio, and I don't think any of those hotels are in Jamaica. Then they have a lifestyle portfolio, and none of those are in Jamaica, not yet at least. Then they have an inclusive collection. Now, those are the hotels that you will find in Jamaica. Brands like Hyatt Ziva and Hyatt Zilero, Zotri Wellness and Spa Resorts, Secrets Resorts and Spas, and Breathless Dream Resorts and Spas, and the Hyatt Vivid Hotels. Those are the ones that operate in Jamaica. And then the other hotels that operate are Classic Portfolios, and I don't think any of those operate in Jamaica, and the Essential Portfolio. So the ones that operate in Jamaica are the inclusive, and Jamaica is well known for the all-inclusive hotels. So Hyatt is among the 10 largest hotel chains in the world. They have over they have over 1,350 hotels. Hyatt is a global hospitality company with a portfolio of more than 1,350 hotels and all-inclusive properties in 79 countries and 6 continents. And as we said earlier, they have 8 hotels in Jamaica. All right, so we're going to give you an update on the hotels in Jamaica. Hyatt has extended the closure of the majority of its Jamaica resorts following Hurricane Melissa damage. These properties remain closed and are not accepting new reservations until at least November 2026, according to Hyatt's latest notices. Hyatt Zilera Rose Hall will be closed until November 2026, and this one is an adults all-inclusive resort in Montego Bay. All the hotels are in Montego Bay. The second one is Hyatt Ziva Rose Hall. It's a family-friendly resort, and it's also November 2026. Breathless Montego Bay Resort and Spa, Dreams Rose Hall, Resort and Spa, Secret St. James Montego Bay, Secrets Wild Orchard Montego Bay, and Jewel Grand Montego Bay, which is the one we're looking at now. They are all closed and expected to reopen in November 2026. These seven resorts make up the bulk of Hyatt's all-inclusive footprint in Jamaica and are being kept offline long enough to allow both repairs and enhancements, not just basic restoration. Now, the Zotre Montego Bay, which is a luxury boutique all-inclusive hotel, is also closed, but they project that that hotel will open in early 2026. They're aiming for February 2026. So that's the only one that will be open at the beginning of 2026. And all these closures are due to damage and infrastructure impacts from Hurricane Melissa. And Hyatt has paused accepting new reservations at these properties until the reopen dates. Cancellation fees for affected bookings have been waived as Hyatt and partners assess recovery and support staff and guests. Government and tourism authorities have been working with hoteliers to restore destination readiness for the wider region, but Hyatt's timelines are among the longest announced so far. All right, guys, that's the end of the update. So, yes, this is a major blow to the tourism industry in Jamaica, but hopefully they'll reopen bigger and better than before. Because these are some major hotel brands in Jamaica, and the Hyatt Group is known. They have a reputation all over the world, so people would visit these hotels. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.